enthusiasts. Welcome back to Infinelist, your ultimate source for the hottest trends in footwear. Today, we've got something truly special to share with you just in time for the most wonderful time of the year. Wrapped gift, get ready to slay the holiday-style game with techfershujra.net. Our Christmas sale is in full swing, offering you the chance to snag the perfect gifts at incredible prices, with discounts of up to a festive 60% off. But that's not all, my friends. Glowing star, as you indulge in the holiday spirit of giving, we're giving back to you. 10% off on orders over $139. Enjoy an extra. The more you shop, the merrier your savings. It's like a holiday miracle. Wrapped gift, but hold on to your Santa hats because we've got something extra special for you, our mystery box deals. $78 you can experience the excitement of unboxing a pair of Jordan 1 Low, Jordan 1 High, or Dunk Low for just. It's the thrill of the unknown, delivered straight to your doorstep. Running shoe, imagine the joy of discovering a pair of premium sneakers chosen just for you. It's not just a purchase, it's an experience, a mystery worth solving, and a deal worth jumping on. These mystery boxes are flying off the virtual shelves, so don't miss out on the magic. Money with wings, and as if that's not enough, make sure to check out our weekly special, carefully curated kicks for just $69.90. That's right, high-quality sneakers at an unbeatable price. But act fast because these deals are like snowflakes, here one moment, gone the next. Globe with meridians. Head over to techfershujra.net right now to unwrap these amazing deals and make this holiday season truly unforgettable. Don't miss out on the hottest styles at prices that will leave you merry and bright. This is Infinelist signing off, your go-to for the latest and greatest in sneaker fashion. Happy holidays, sneakerheads.